Says we're live. There we are. I'm trying so hard, and I still don't know what I need to do. If you've ever had that thought, you already know how heavy it feels. Because effort isn't missing, caring isn't missing, but clarity feels just out of reach. As I say that, just notice what comes up for you. Not to fix it, not to analyze it, just notice. If we haven't met, I'm Claudette, and I talk a lot with people who've lived some life. People who are responsible, capable, and used to figuring things out. People who don't quit easily, don't sit around waiting for someone else to solve things for them. This isn't about motivation. It's not about discipline. And it's definitely not about fixing yourself. It's about those seasons where what used to work doesn't quite work the same way anymore. I hear this phrase all the time, and I've lived it myself. I'm trying so hard, and I still don't know what I need to do. And when someone says that, it's usually said quietly, not dramatically, not as a complaint, more like confusion mixed with fatigue. Because most of us were taught how to survive by pushing. You get tired, you push. You get overwhelmed, you tighten things. You tighten things up. Get organized, try harder. And for a long time that works. Until one day it just doesn't. That's when you start questioning yourself. You wonder, is this just age? Am I just tired? Do I need rest? Or motivation? Or structure? Or a reset? And because we don't know which direction to move in, we just keep doing something. Staying busy, staying productive, staying functional. Just notice which one of those you tend to lean on when things feel off. There's no right or wrong here. It's just information. Here's what I want to say clearly. Not knowing the next step doesn't mean you're failing. It doesn't mean you've lost your drive. And it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It usually means your body is asking for something different, not more. Different pacing, different support, different attention. But because most of us learn something through endurance, we don't always know how to respond when endurance stops working. So we stay in effort without direction. This is where strength gets misunderstood. Strength isn't always about pushing forward. Sometimes strength is being willing to say, I don't know what I need yet, but I know I can't keep doing this the same way. That pause isn't weakness, it's information. And if that idea feels unfamiliar or even a little uncomfortable, that's okay. That's often where something new is starting to form. When that moment gets ignored for too long, everything starts to feel heavier. Energy drains faster, patience gets shorter, recovery takes longer. Not because life suddenly got worse, but because the strategy you've been using no longer matches the season you're in. And that mismatch is exhausting. If this is landing for you, I want you to hear this clearly. You're not alone. A lot of capable, thoughtful people are quietly carrying that same question. I'm trying. I just don't know what I need anymore. That's not giving up. That's awareness turning into requests for direction. You don't have to have the answer today. You don't have to fix anything right now. Just notice where effort feels the heaviest. Not to judge it, not to change it, just to notice it. Because that's usually where the next step begins to reveal itself. Let that sit with you. Thank you for being here. I'm Claudette Eames, and if you're not following already, please follow. Let's connect. Let's have that conversation.